is the first day. Looking at what's new, looking at the latest in terms of papers.
We're at OTC 2025 in Houston, Texas. It's always great to catch up with colleagues and clients and find out kind of how things are progressing internationally.
This has been one of the busiest OTCs I've seen in a few years, actually since pre-COVID. Very exciting that it's returning back to what it was.
I think what is important here is to further build the relationship with our suppliers. Great opportunity for us to meet them.
Companies from all over the world that's coming to Houston, Texas. Being on the engineering side of things, like I don't really get to see a lot of the different vendors and suppliers. Just being here, being exposed to these different entities, it's been amazing actually.
Houston still sits as kind of the hub for oil and gas internationally, so it's really good to have kind of this melting pot here.
Yeah, we are a global company. We are pretty much everywhere in each continent across the globe, so we definitely believe our diversity is something which is an important contributor for our business.
There's a range of people that come to OTC, from your graduating engineers all the way up to CEOs from other companies, and it's a great way to meet with people and to get marketing done and to really have a one-on-one connection no matter what level you are within the company.
It feels like a good place, and you can see with the number of exhibitors, people are showing up.
The individuals just walking by, they're just curious about Subsea7. Myself and my colleagues, we are all over the place interacting with bystanders, individuals that are curious, suppliers, and I could definitely feel the energy, yes.
Come visit us at Subsea7 booth 3135.
Come join us at Subsea7 booth 3135, and I hope to see you there.
OTC 2025.
OTC 2025.
OTC 2025.
OTC 2025.
OTC 2025.